Looking to upgrade your space or find the perfect gift? Here are 25 home and kitchen gifts everyone's buying in 2025, all trending on Amazon right now. Number 1 is Dash Rapid Egg Cooker. This compact wonder can cook up to 7 eggs perfectly, whether you love them hard-boiled, poached, scrambled, or as fluffy omelets. With its auto shut-off feature, you'll never overcook again. It's the original and most trusted egg cooker on the market, delivering perfect eggs your way, every time. A must-have for every kitchen. Number 2 is Rotating Belgian Waffle Maker. Enjoy 1-inch thick, restaurant-quality waffles right at home in just minutes. With 1000 watts of power, variable browning control, and a rotating design, you'll get perfectly golden waffles every time. Plus, it's easy to clean with its non-stick surface and removable drip tray. A must-have gift for any breakfast lover. Number 3 is Portable Food Warmer. This stylish 20-ounce electric lunchbox keeps your food warm and ready wherever you go, perfect for work, travel, or road trips. With its spill-proof lid, detachable cord, and dishwasher-safe container, it's built for convenience. Plus, the sleek faded blue soft touch design makes it a gift that's both practical and modern. Number 4 is Tree-Shaped Wooden Trivet Set. This clever set includes 4 walnut wood trivets and a stand that stack neatly like a mini Christmas tree. Each piece unfolds automatically to protect your tables from hot dishes, pots, and pans, turning practicality into art. With its unique wood texture and space-saving design, it's a stylish and thoughtful gift for any kitchen lover. Number 5 is Electric Salt and Pepper Grinder Set. Elevate your cooking with 5 adjustable grind levels for perfect flavor every time, from fine seasoning for soups to coarse texture for steaks and BBQs. Powered by batteries for easy one-hand use, it even includes a built-in LED light for accurate seasoning day or night. With durable ceramic blades and a sleek, modern design, it's the perfect kitchen gift. Grab yours now from the link in the description. Number 6 is Indoor Electric S'mores Maker. Bring the fun of campfire s'mores right into your home with this flameless, electric heater. No wood, no mess, just perfectly golden marshmallows every time. It comes with roasting sticks and 4 ingredient trays, perfect for movie nights, sleepovers, or family fun. Easy to clean, safe, and nostalgic, it's a sweet gift idea everyone will love. Grab yours now from the link in the description. Number 7 is 33-piece silicone cooking utensils set. Crafted from food-grade, BPA-free silicone, these tools are safe, durable, and built to last. With heat resistance up to 446 degrees Fahrenheit, they protect your non-stick cookware from scratches while staying sturdy and flexible. Complete with wooden handles, utensil holder, and hooks, it's everything a kitchen needs in one stylish set. Click the link in the description to grab this perfect gift for any home chef. Number 8 is K Elite Single Serve Coffee Maker. With custom strength and temperature control, you can brew the perfect cup every time, hot or iced. Choose from 5 brew sizes and enjoy hot water on demand for soups or oatmeal. Its sleek brushed design and programmable features make it both stylish and smart. A must-have gift for any coffee lover. Grab yours now from the link in the description. Number 9 is Cosori Electric Kettle. With its plastic-free glass spout and stainless steel filter, your water never touches plastic, just pure taste every time. Boil a full cup in under 3 minutes with 1500 watts of power, and enjoy auto shut-off and boil-dry protection for safety. The sleek LED lid design adds a modern touch to any kitchen. Click the link in the description to grab yours and elevate your tea and coffee game. Number 10 is Original Pro Vegetable Chopper. The viral TikTok favorite that makes meal prep fast, easy, and fun. With its rust-resistant stainless steel blades, you can chop, dice, and slice veggies like a pro. No mess, no stress. The non-slip base and built-in catch tray keep your counters clean, and it's even dishwasher safe for quick cleanup. A must-have kitchen essential. Click the link in the description to grab yours today. Number 11 is 21-piece white granite non-stick cookware set. It includes everything: fry pans, saucepans, stockpots, and utensils, all made with durable die-cast aluminum that's lightweight and built to last. The ultra non-stick granite coating gives you 10x better performance for healthier, oil-free cooking. It heats up fast and evenly on all cooktops, even induction. Cleanup is a breeze, just wipe or rinse. Give the gift that every home chef will love. Tap the link in the description to grab yours on Amazon today. Number 12 is Kitchen Soap Dispenser Set. Looking for a stylish and functional gift that elevates any kitchen or bathroom? This kitchen soap dispenser set is the perfect choice. Featuring two 16 ounces labeled glass bottles for hand and dish soap, a bamboo tray, and eco-friendly pumps, it adds elegance and order to any countertop. Durable, refillable, and beautifully minimalist. Tap the link below to get this beautiful set on Amazon today. Number 13 is 9-in-1 TurboBlaze Air Fryer, the ultimate kitchen upgrade. With powerful 3,600 revolutions per minute TurboBlaze technology, it cooks faster, crispier, and juicier every time. The premium ceramic coating is non-stick and durable, while the 6-quart design is perfect for family meals. Enjoy 95% less oil without losing the crunch, and experience whisper quiet cooking under 53 decibels. From air frying to baking, roasting, and reheating, it does it all. Upgrade your kitchen. Click the link in the description to grab yours today. Number 14 is Hydroponic Growing System. Grow fresh herbs and veggies right on your countertop with the hydroponic growing system. Featuring 10 planting pods, an adjustable LED grow light, and a built-in water circulation system, it helps your plants grow faster and healthier all year round. The see-through water window makes maintenance easy, and with dual light modes for veggies or flowers, you'll harvest fresh greens in no time. Perfect for any home or as a thoughtful gift. Grab yours on Amazon today, link in description. Number 15 is Stoneware 16-piece dinnerware set. Elevates your dining experience featuring a bold black matte glaze and sleek mid-century design. This set includes plates, bowls, and mugs for 4, perfect for everyday meals or special gatherings. Crafted from durable stoneware, it's both microwave and dishwasher safe. Style meets convenience. Whether it's a cozy dinner or a modern table setup, this set makes a perfect home or wedding gift. Click the link in description to get yours on Amazon. Number 16 is Next Mug Self-Heating Coffee Mug. Say goodbye to lukewarm coffee, choose your perfect temp, warm, hot, or piping, and enjoy your drink for hours. Smart LED lights show real-time temperature and battery life, while the spill-resistant lid and charging coaster keep things simple. Makes an amazing gift for coffee lovers. Tap the link and grab your on Amazon. Number 17 is Knife Block Set. Upgrade your kitchen with the 15-piece German stainless steel knife block set, built for precision, power, and style. Featuring a built-in self-sharpener, these blades stay razor-sharp without the hassle. Crafted from forged high-carbon steel, they're rust-resistant, perfectly balanced, and ready for any recipe. Safely stored in a sleek rubberwood block, this set is both space-saving and elegant. Perfect gift for weddings, housewarmings, or food lovers. Get yours now on Amazon. Number 18 is Cast Iron Skillet. Cook like a pro with the 12-inch cast iron skillet. Pre-seasoned with 100% natural oil, it delivers perfect sears, even heating, and a naturally non-stick surface that gets better with every use. The red silicone handle keeps your grip cool and safe while you fry, bake, or grill anywhere, stove, oven, or campfire. A timeless kitchen essential built to last generations. Grab yours now on Amazon, link in description. Number 19 is Glass Storage Containers. Upgrade your kitchen with these 24-piece borosilicate glass storage containers, durable, airtight, and perfect for meal prep, leftovers, or lunch on the go. Safe for oven, microwave, freezer, and dishwasher, they keep your food fresh and your pantry organized. Made with leak-proof lids and tough glass that lasts for years. A must-have for every modern kitchen. Tap the link below and grab yours today on Amazon. Number 20 is Marble Wine Chiller Bucket. Keep every pour perfectly chilled with the Marble Wine Chiller Bucket, where luxury meets function. Crafted from solid marble, it keeps your wine or champagne cold for hours while adding an elegant touch to any table or bar cart. Perfect for dinner parties, picnics, or simply relaxing at home. It even doubles as a stunning utensil holder. A must-have gift for wine lovers. Elevate your hosting game. Grab yours now on Amazon with link in description. Number 21 is NutriBullet Personal Blender. Kickstart your healthy lifestyle with the NutriBullet Personal Blender. With 600 watts of pure blending power, it transforms fruits, veggies, and even frozen ingredients into smooth, nutritious shakes in seconds. Just push, twist, and blend, it's that easy. Cleanup's a breeze too. Rinse the blades and pop the cup in the dishwasher. Get fast, fresh nutrition every day. Tap the link below and grab your NutriBullet on Amazon today. Number 22 is Complete Glass Tea Set. Elevate your tea time with this complete glass tea set, the ultimate gift for tea lovers. It includes a stunning 40 ounces glass teapot, infuser, 4 double wall cups, a candlelit warmer, and 12 blooming teas that open into beautiful flowers while steeping. Bouquet made from premium, heat-resistant borosilicate glass, it's elegant, durable, and dishwasher safe. Perfect for everyday indulgence or special moments. Click the link below to bring this magical tea experience home. Number 23 is ceramic utensil holders. Keep your kitchen stylish and organized with this set of 2 ceramic utensil holders. Crafted from premium ceramic with a beautiful reactive glaze, these sturdy crocks add the perfect farmhouse touch to any countertop. The large holder fits up to 15 utensils, while the smaller one is perfect for flatware or even as a chic vase. Durable, elegant, and versatile, it's the perfect gift for moms or home chefs. Tap the link below to upgrade your kitchen today. Number 24 is Wi-Fi sous vide cooker. Cook like a pro right from your kitchen with the Wi-Fi sous vide cooker. This 1000W powerhouse heats fast, runs quietly, and keeps your meals at the perfect temperature for juicy, restaurant-quality results every time. Control it remotely with the Inkbird Pro app, explore 14 preset recipes, and enjoy precision cooking made simple. Whether it's steak, salmon, or veggies, perfection is just a tap away. Tap the link below and upgrade your cooking game today. Finally, number 25 is vintage coffee mug set. Bring timeless charm to your mornings with this 4-piece vintage coffee mug set. Each 14 ounces glass mug features elegant embossed sunflower and raindrop designs, paired with bamboo lids and rose gold spoons for that perfect aesthetic touch. Durable, lead-free, and ideal for hot or iced drinks, oats, or smoothies, they make every sip special. A thoughtful gift for any occasion. Tap the link below and add vintage elegance to your coffee bar today. Which of these home and kitchen gifts would you love to have? Check out all the links in the description and grab your favorites today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more amazing Amazon finds.